One time with DissiNotRA. What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. Today, I have something exciting to show you. As you can see, I'm wearing Trackbuds. Kangaroo body. That is so commercially. Which is where I got this smartwatch slash earbuds from. Yes, I'm not joking. And guess what? Guess what? The music is already playing. I didn't even have to do anything. Is that great? Now, you stop the music like that. You turn it back on like this. I'm not really sure what's happening if you tap it 3 times. It sounds like Siri is going on, but for some weird reason, I can't really activate it. If you tap it 4 times, it changes the language in there. Isn't that nice? I must say they sit really comfortable. I first thought they belonged the other way around, but then I saw a picture like that. Luckily I saw the picture. And look, if you don't have hair caught in it like I do all the time, even though my head's hurting already, no jokes, they're not falling out. They're not falling out. Maybe this way. Oh. They are legit not falling out. They just once fell out when I had my hair stuck in it, like I just said. That's pretty cool. Now, I want to say there's actually only 2 things that I don't like so much about it, but the rest is perfect. So I'm going to start with the 2 little things that I would criticize, which is number 1, when I want to talk to somebody, they also really have a hard time hearing me. I sound extremely far away. So I'm not sure if that's because I have them on the wrong way or if I'm doing something wrong. But that's when it comes to the audio, one thing that I would criticize. And the other thing is a minor little thing, which is that, as you will see, they're supposed to disconnect from the music, the headphones, once you put them back in, as well as from phone calls. But then sometimes, when I'm talking to my friends, and as I just said, for phone calls it's not really the best, so I'm having on my headphones or I'm on speakers in a video chat most of the time. And then what happens is that sometimes they would unwillingly connect to the phone call or to the music that I listen to, and I would be totally confused and I would be like, hello, did I lose you? Hello, did I lose you? Until I hear a small tiny little voice coming out of this watch. Hello, I'm here. These are the only little things that I don't like, but the rest, I must say, guys, it tracks extremely well. It really does. I like all of the heart rate thing. I like all of the little features that it has, shake to photo and all sorts of stuff. We're gonna get into this in a second. I must say it sits also very sturdy. I always think that's the right size to put it, but then I end up having to open it even further up. I went running with it and all sorts of stuff. It's really cool. So let me show you the close-up. Let me show you the unboxing and what happened before I got this little bad boy here on my arm.
So they come in this beautiful sturdy little box. I like that Apple type of style. The first thing you see when you open the box are the earbuds and the watch, nicely packaged as well. It does have 2 plastic protection films on. Look at the back, so shiny and beautiful. Here comes my favorite part, but like I said, there's another plastic film under it. Here's the watch opened. You can see there's a beautiful mirror in there. Nice, especially for girls. Lipstick, small things to fix. Here are the really good quality feeling, almost a rubber feeling like earbuds. And the way they click into the watch is so satisfying as well. Once you open the box, the first thing you find is the little manual in there, an extra pair of headphone earpieces, the power cord, and obviously the wristband. The way the power cord connects to the watch is really awesome. The magnet is super strong. I like that, really cool. I highly suggest attaching the watch to the wristband the right way around, because I put it in the wrong way around first and it was really hard to get out again. It opens and closes smoothly without friction. Nice, really just nice. And as you can see, even Instagram notifications are visible. In order to turn it off and on, you gotta press and hold the power button, and then you can switch through. It switches through the menu when you keep clicking the power button. We have a step counter, a miles counter, and the calories that you burned. Here you can measure your heart rate, which I love. I always turn it around to measure the inside of my wrist because that's obviously better. It's gonna adjust a little bit until it has your exact heart rate. Awesomeness right there. The next thing that comes on is to measure the blood pressure, also amazing. Then you will find your battery level and the factory settings and back to the watch face. This is how it looks when you open the app that it comes with. When you swipe over, you find the same menu that you find on the watch face. The cool thing here is though you can actually record your heart rate and also the blood pressure, which is awesome as well. Really neat, this little app and this little watch. On the upper right hand corner you find the synchronize button. You gotta click this every once in a while so it synchronizes the data from your watch to your phone. On the left upper corner you have the settings. I have dark mode on, but I'll tell you more about that in a second. Here some features are not working yet, like the menstrual record, but the other ones work. When you click on Find Band, it triggers a really strong vibration on the watch. It has a lift wrist to view info button. And bam, as you can see here, when you lift your wrist, it turns on the watch. Here I'm turning off dark mode because some things don't show up when you have it turned on. But here comes my very favorite part, shake to photo. And yes, guess what guys? Shake, bam, to photo. How awesome is that? And it obviously automatically saves to your photos. Then we have a weather function, which I like as well. And a jogging function. So flipping awesome. As you can see, it's really accurate as well, and a couple options in there as well. And lastly, I wanted to show you that it actually connects pretty fast to the Bluetooth when you even only open the watch without even taking out the headphones. And connect it. There you have it. Awesomeness.
I hope you find this little thing as amazing as I find it. If you use my discount code, you can get actually 20% off. And while helping yourself, guess what? You would actually help me as well. And I must say, for at about around 50, 60 bucks, it is really, really affordable. And imagine that, minus 20% off. Thanks to Kangaroo Body. Kangaroo. Since obviously, after the last video I did, now I'm like a really cool beatboxer. Also, to all the people that commented under my last video that they wanted me to react to some other beatboxing videos, I will actually do that, guys, so stay tuned. I just gotta follow the cue here to not disappoint people. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to check the other links here. There's awesome stuff to discover, like these super amazing crop hoodies for girls and awesome brand new canvas designs, the good old beatmaker hats, mind over matter t-shirts, and more. Sign up for singing classes down there as well. Check out my music, social media, and so on and so forth. And as always, much love to everyone. Stay focused and have a blessed now. Mwah.